So in my first video, I explained what we did every week in workshops. I thought we'd take the time to look at what we do each week in those 7 sessions. In week 1, we look at guidelines. We establish guidelines as a group. We look at our expectations, as well as looking at the history and the psychology behind positive discipline. In week 2, we're diving a little bit into the brain, trying to understand how children's brains work and how our brain works, as well as looking at building connection and what to do when we make mistakes. Week 3, we'll look at birth order. Is there always an easy to spot eldest, middle and youngest child? And then we look into misbehaviour, what's going on underneath the surface. Week 4 is all about alternatives to punishment. And then in week 5, we're going to take a closer look at ourselves, as well as the wonderful topic of sibling rivalry. What can we do about that? In week 6, we look at this cornerstone of positive discipline, which is family meetings. How do we run a family meeting in order to make it an experience that everyone enjoys and everyone gets something out of? And we're already at week 7, so we look at 2 things. We look at follow through, what to do when kids don't stick to the agreements that we've made, and then we'll look at follow up, where to go next, how to stay in touch and learn more about positive discipline. I hope that's given you a taster of what happens in our workshops.